Downloading data from Skype can help you keep a record of your conversations and shared files. Follow these steps to easily download your Skype data. Step 1. Open Skype. Launch the Skype application on your device or visit the Skype web version. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Click on your profile picture or the three dots in the top left corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Privacy. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Privacy option. This section contains various settings related to your account and data. Step 4. Request data. Look for the option labeled Export Chat History or Download Your Data. Click on it to initiate the process of requesting your data. You may need to verify your identity through a confirmation email or code. Step 5. Download your data. Once your data is ready, you will receive a notification or an email with a link to download it. Click the link and follow the instructions to save the data to your device. By following these steps, you can successfully download your Skype data for future reference.